Hello, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about Sree Narayana Guru. He was a social reformer, spiritual leader, and philosopher from Kerala, India. He was considered as one of the influential figure in the history of Kerala. His teachings emphasizes spiritual equality, social justice, and the importance of education for all. Sree Narayana Guru's early life. Sree Narayana Guru was born in August 20th, 1856 in the village of Chembirandi near Trivandrum, Kerala, India. He was born in a Irava community is considered as one of the low caste. His time, there was caste-based social structure. His original name was Narayana Pillai. His spiritual journey and enlightenment. His journey was transformative. He became an ascetic, sought guidance from many spiritual masters. In 1880, he had performed experience of self-realization while meditating. That this event marked a turning point in his life. He started develop his philosophy, focus, universal brotherhood, equality, and social justice across Kerala. Next point is social reforms and philosophy. One of the most significant contribution was his work to abolish caste system during a time when the lower caste were discriminated against. His teachings aimed at uniting people of all backgrounds through common vision. Key teachings and his contributions: one caste, one religion, and one God. He preached that all human beings, regardless of caste, creed, religion, are equal in the eyes of God. Thus, his key teachings: one caste, one religion, and one God for all. In the eyes of God, all are equal. Next, a promotion of education. He believed that knowledge and education were key to uplifting from their oppressed status. So he promote education. People don't have the education and knowledge. They are always in suppressed status. Thus, religious tolerance. He deeply rooted in Hindu philosophy. He respect other religions and their faith as well. Temples and social inclusions. Sree Narayana Guru, his early age or his own time, temples were closed to lower caste. The lower caste, they didn't have the permission to go to temple and worship God. What he done, he consecrated temples where people of all caste could worship. This was a revolutionary action of social inclusion. This challenged social hierarchy prevailed in that region. Sree Narayana Guru believed that all individuals have the right to lead a dignified life regardless of their social status or birth. His major achievements. His notable one is he consecrated many temples. The most important is Sree Narayana Temple in Shivagiri, Varkala. The Shivagiri pilgrimage site continues to attract devotees and social reformers even today. He practices simple way of worship that he did on rituals and ideal worship. He just follow the Hindu religion says, just follow the simple way of worship that did not on rituals and ideal worship. Next, later years and his legacies. He continued work for social upliftment of magnified. He continued work for social upliftment of marginalized communities. Some of the communities, because of their birth, they belong to lower caste. That's why they are marginalizing. Now get access to any temples, any schools, any public places because of their community. He had a significant influence on Kerala intellectuals and cultural life. Many of the scholars followed him, just followed his philosophy, just like Vallathur Narayana Menon, then Pandit Karupan, and P.K. Narayana Pillai. Sree Narayana Guru passed away in September 28, 1928. His teachings continue to influence modern day Kerala and India. Sree Narayana Guru was not as a spiritual leader, but he is a revolutionary. He fought significant change in Kerala and beyond. Today, he is remembered as one of the greatest reformers of modern India. This is the summary of Sree Narayana Guru, a social reformer who lived in Kerala. He uplifted the marginalized society. His contribution is remembered forever. Thanks for watching this video. I will come with another video next time. Now, bye to everybody. Have a nice day. Bye.